Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Kanazi Talk. So today I would like to new mobile unboxing. The name is vivo v29. So firstly I would like to talk about processor. So in this mobile Snapdragon 778G octa-core processor and Android 13 version. And I should talk about RAM. So RAM is 8 GB and you can expandable RAM is 8 GB also. I have a variant 128 GB and I bought only 33,000. So let's talk about the design. So design is very good design and with curved display. This is the also good for users because whole screen is curved display. And I should talk about charging port, C type C charging port and speakers also. And I would like to dorsal side design, and dorsal side design is also good. There is two flashlight, there are two flashlight. One is the use for only camera purposes. There are several color, whatever you can use, whatever you can like you can use it. And 120 hertz refresh rate also, whatever refresh rate you can like and you can apply this. So this is the all features of this mobile. Thank you.